Good day guys, so this is the Sonic Artist, this is James and this is John. In this week we'll give you the market outlook for week 51. Alright, so I'll pass on to John.
Alright, as for week 51, yeah, I think this is gonna be the last busy week for the whole year of 2017. Okay, this week we have I think the main guy will be the JPY. Okay, sorry, not British pound. It's gonna be a JPY. Other than that, we have like still have like GBP, British pound, and CAD. British pound and CAD only. So that's mean I think the main so-called the driver for this week going to be JPY. So please take note that JPY, the BOJ governor have been hinting about the reducing their quantitative easing. So if they really kind of announce that kind of move, what will happen is that JPY can strengthen quite a lot, because they claim that they are going to reduce, they are going to slow down their money pumping in, right? So that's as this is what it is, right? Then I think the JPY can strengthen a lot. So later we will go through it in the chart as well. Okay, this is for week number 51, which is this week. And for week number 52, as you can see, it's gonna be a holiday week. So I do not think that there's gonna be a lot of market movement. So please try not to get involved so intensively on the next week. Okay, just take it slow, and we can come back again on the early week of 2018. All right. Okay. So first of all, let's do some analysis here. Okay, as you can see from here, British pound. All right, British pound is they are trying to base this level 1.3320, this level as a nice base for them to bounce it back. I think they have succeeded so far. So what's gonna happen is that very likely that they can swing back up to as high as 1.347080 level. So if you are looking for a short, I would suggest let it come back to this kind of level and wait for a bearish candle to come in first, because as you can see, they have a 1, 2, 3 times. They are using this 1.3320 level as a base for 3 times already. So that's kind of proven that this level is a little bit hard to break down. Okay, so I'm still waiting more for a bearish side, but I would like to sell it at a higher price, so that when I'm making money, I would like to make more money, right? So I'm expecting the level such as, like I repeat again, 1.3470 or even 1.35 level. It is quite possible for them to reach to that level first before they can go down further down. All right, they can go down further. Okay, another one will be gold. I hope you pay close attention to our warning last week. We kind of warned that there might be a bull might be try to make a comeback. So they did come back last week, right? So as you can see here, we have a very strong reversal last week. Okay, in my opinion, what is going to happen is that the likelihood of going up is still quite strong. So if you are looking for a short, which you should be for a longer term, I think it's better for you to wait. Okay, because I'm expecting they can shoot up to the level such as like 1280, 1275 to 80 level first. Okay, so my suggestion is that if you are looking for a long-term play, wait somewhere around this area that I just mentioned. Okay, or if you just want to do the price action play, okay, you can go look for a long, as long as this level 1252 around this level is holding. I mean, as long as this level hold, they can, now it's around 1262, right? They can come down to 1252 and they can bounce it back up to 1276 level. This is what I'm trying to say. So if you are looking for a short, please patient first. Okay, if you are looking for a long, as long as this 1252 level is holding, yes, you are good to go. All right, but for the people who really long this pair, who really buying this pair, I do not think that they will go up quite a lot after hitting 1276, 1280 level. Okay, so I hope you got what I mean. All right. The next one will be the Dow Jones. Okay, as you can see, Dow Jones stay pretty much in the upper, in the long term uptrend. Okay, the only thing that I'm a little bit concerned is that the volume are pretty much on the thin side. So as if like they are climbing every day up, but there was not much of the participation. So if you are going to long now, of course I will say a little bit on the you might be considered a bit of late trading, late comer already. So because since the volume is thinning, if they were to come back down, they can come back down pretty fast. Okay, so if they come back down where they go to as a good support level, of course they will go to this level 24540 level first. So my suggestion is that, of course, be cautiously bullish. Okay, so this is what I want to say. Okay, my last pair is CADJPY. Okay, just now I remember in the early stage of this video, I mentioned that JPY should strengthen, right? JPY should strengthen, yes. So if the JPY were to strengthen, this pair such as like CAD JPY will go down a lot, correct? So I'm expecting to see sooner or later they will break this 87 level, kind of 87 level strongly. So you know, I already have a short position. So what I'm looking right now is that I want to see this 87 level go. I mean, they break this level strongly, because what happened? You see, when they came all the way down, you know, they used 87 level as a base before to bounce it back up once. So that's prove me that this level is not, you know, not a normal level. This is rather hard to break. So in order for me to continue to short or add more position, I would like to see this 87 level to, you know, come in and break. All right, because if they do not break, they can swing back to 88.5 or even 89 level. So my suggestion is that please watch out this, let them lower first, please watch out this 87 level closely. So in order for it to, you know, become more bearish, I want to see 87 level break this level down strongly. All right, so this is all I have. I'm quite waiting for British pound US dollars at the high level to short, and gold I'm cautiously bullish. Okay, and for Dow Jones, of course, I'm cautiously bullish as well, because for example, like gold, they still can swing back up. That means they can swing back higher to, you know, like 1280 kind of level first. And for CAD JPY, like I mentioned, in order for me to continue bearish, I need this 87 level to be broken down first. So thank you very much, and I will let James to take over. So happy holiday, guys. Okay.
Hi, alright, so I'll be talking about two Swiss franc pairs. So first and foremost will be the euro to the Swiss franc. Alright, we can see that price has been difficulties breaking above this 1.17 zone. Okay, so as price could not go upwards and it is in the resistance zones of ours, I'm looking that price could go down even more. Of course, there are no lower low created to show signs of bearishness trend inside. So I will expect 1.157 area to be broken first before the Dow trend could actually goes all the way down towards my target price of 1.148. Alright, so if you have shorted here, be careful of this area again. I repeat, 1.157 could be seen as a support level. Alright, should this level is broken, we could be more confident that price could go all the way down towards our support level at 1.148. Alright, up next would be New Zealand dollar to Swiss franc. Alright, so what we are seeing in New Zealand and Swiss franc on Friday and yesterday is that price has difficulty breaking up against our resistance level. Alright, in this zone you can see activities is picking up. Alright, prior to that, as price was moving up, as you can see the decline in the volume, showing that not much activity is interested in the up move. Alright, and as it reaches its resistance level, you can see its activity picks up, which means that there are much interest in this level. So of course we do not long towards the resistance level. So over here, what we are seeing based on price action itself is that price has difficulty breaking upwards. So as it couldn't go upwards, my next view on it would be bearish. Alright, so where could be the next area that price could possibly go to would be previous congestion level at around 0.683 zone. Alright, this light blue zone will be my first target area that price could possibly go. Alright, so this marked the end of our week 51 market analysis review. So there will not be any videos in the upcoming week, as we see that the market will start to slow down. Alright, so happy holiday guys, and have a nice week.